Hi, it's Marcus. And how can you make a lot of money online? Basically, you can sell your skill or knowledge inside of you and share high price it, sell it your offer as a mastermind, as a one-to-one coaching, as an info product. Basically, you can sell your skill or knowledge inside of you. For example, it can be any knowledge, trading, football, poker, how to stop drinking alcohol, knitting, any ability inside of you, you can sell it as a high price. I'm talking about at least 3K your offer. And the magical thing about this business is that you don't need so many clients. There are 8 billion humans on earth. Can you get 5 people to pay you 3K? Yes. And selling is not a sin. So how can you start doing this? First, you choose your niche, only one niche, and create a YouTube micro niche channel. You can do this with YouTube, with Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, any platform that you want. But I recommend you YouTube because YouTube gives you free organic traffic and it's great for being yourself and exposing yourself and letting your clients know you better. So you start creating YouTube videos about your offer, about your help, about your offer to your clients. Start creating YouTube videos about what are you offering, what is your product, and how can you help your clients. And once you get views, your viewers, you will convert them into clients. How can you start doing this? Well, you create a website, a funnel. You can use Aura Point Build to create the greatest funnel. What is this funnel? This funnel is for conversion. Your clients will watch your video on YouTube and they will go to this funnel inside your YouTube channel that is like a website but for conversion, and they will book a call with you. And inside the Zoom call, you close the sale. And after closing the sale, you start teaching per month. We are charging per month. And basically, if you have a lot of clients, you can do groupal Zoom calls. And the important thing is closing the sale inside a Zoom call, inside a call. If you are shy or if you don't want to do this, you can delegate and like create a team with other people where you have a setter or a closer that close the sales. But closing the sale is the most easy part of this business. Just talking with your client, asking them questions about if for real they need your help, and if for real they need your help, close the sale and start teaching your knowledge. Basically, the most beautiful thing about this business is the rule of 1%. For example, if you are charging 10K your offer and you get 200 views in a video, if only 2 people buy your offer, that's 20K. 20K in one video with only 200 views in your video. If you're charging 3K and your video gets 500 views, if only 5 people buy your offer, that's 15K. And this is the magical thing about this business, the rule of the 1%. We don't need a lot of viewers, we don't need a lot of clients to be making a lot of money per month. So you're not here to play the Mr. Beast game, the YouTuber game. We are not playing the views game, we are playing the money game. And all the people you see on YouTube are not playing this game, and that is our advantage because people are stuck on creator mode. They are not thinking as a business owner, as a CEO, and they are stuck on creator mode. For example, I have a client of mine with 4 million followers on Instagram, and he wasn't making 5K a month. And my other clients that are doing the online business education are printing money. For example, a girl of 50 years old teaching knitting online, she makes 18K per month, charging 1K his offer. Another friend of mine helping people growing their YouTube channels, he makes 200K per month, charging 25K his offer. So there are 8 billion humans on earth. Can you get 5, 10 people to pay you 3K per month? Yes, you can, and selling is not a sin. So the most important thing about this business is being useful and helpful and helping the most people we can and create a good offer. Don't create an offer with ChatGPT, like create a good offer that for real is helpful and understanding that the value of your offer has to be bigger than the money that you are receiving. Because for real, focus on the client, focusing on the client and thinking long term, and you can be printing money easy.